Greening the data center. Green data center. A green data center is a repository for the storage, management and dissemination of data in which mechanical, lighting, electrical and computer systems are designed for maximum energy efficiency and minimum environmental impact. The construction and operation of green data center includes advanced technologies and strategies. Here are some examples. Minimizing the footprints of the building, the use of low emission building material, carpets and paint, sustainable landscaping, waste recycling. Installation of catalytic converters on backup generators. The use of alternative energy technologies such as photovoltaic heat pumps and evaporative cooling. The use of hybrid and electric company vehicles. Building and certifying a green data center or other facility can be expensive upfront, but long-term cost saving can be released on operations and maintenance. Another advantage is the fact that green facilities offers employee a healthy, comfortable work environment. In addition, green facilities enhance relation with local communities. There is growing pressure from environmentalists and increasingly the general public for government to offer green incentives, monetary support for creation and maintenance of ecologically responsible technologies. The pyramid of green values. From an IT perspective, Quora breaks green initiative down into three distinct areas. Standard green, concentrating on quick wins such as application rationalization, leading to assets consolidations onto a virtualized environment, saving energy going forwards. Advanced green, looking at changing the way it operates to give further savings such as a move to internal cloud computing or blade computing. Investment green, a long term view where there is less chance of direct payback on investment, but where the capabilities for pushing green credit as part of the business brand can resonate with the target customers. Here such technologies are regenerative power, heat recycling and alternative power supply come to the fore. Each area has its own part to play, but taking a total value proportion approach to how green IT can help a business can make arguing for a given project far easier. Value, with greater awareness within the customer base, the prophylaxy with energy is a bad thing. A move forward greener IT is also something that can be played strongly through the company brand. Being able to convert saying into amount the customer can understand can have a big impact and can tip the sales in the favor of greener organization if messaged correctly. For instance, it is unlikely that a customer will be swayed by the statement such as we managed to reduce our data center cooling overhead by 120 BTU and our direct energy usage by 3.2 MWh. But maybe by our green incentives have led to saving equivalent to the energy used by 20,000 UK homes, 100,000 heated Olympic sized swimming pool or 3,500 diesel transaction flight. Risk, from the risk point of view, a green data center can be far more resilient. A virtual environment provides much greater capabilities for moving image around if there is any failure in one particular part of the platform. However, this will need specific tool, otherwise the consolidation power to a much smaller number of physical device can lead it into direction to where the failure of a single item can lead to extended downtime for a large part of infrastructure. This can be case where example cooling is cut down to a single unit. If it fails, the data center will have to be shut down. Resilient still need equipment redundancy, but the equipment may not need to be turned at all the time. cost. At a cost level, the capital cost of going green do have to be considered against the savings that will be made. However, the optimization of the energy usage is a major saving, particularly with the predicted upward but not linear trend in practice. Also, less hardware will be required, leading to a fewer software license and to human resource being required, provided that everything is managed efficiently. Finally, the massive cost of a new data center can be avoided by going green. The reduced size of consolidation hardware platform can be extended the life of existing facilities by several years. Conclusion. This is a short article that have concentrated on demonstrating how green IT incentives can be messaged into business to show how they can have direct impact on the business itself. The same approach can be used for advanced and investment green initiative. For example, a move to a community combined heat and power generation system for the organization with a very large data center can bring in revenue through selling excess heat and power to other business, local community, and through feed-in tariff from the government. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.ideastech.com.